Tower TBM-900 Delta Hotel, inbound on the RNAV 8 right.
TBM-960 Delta Hotel, Spirit Tower, good morning, wind 100 at 9, runway 8 right, clear to land.
And clear to land, 8 right, 0 Delta Hotel.
TBM 0 Delta Hotel, safe parking.
Yeah.
TBM 0 Delta Hotel, roger, left turn Alpha 6 to reverse high speed. You could taxi to Millionaire via Alpha with me, good day.
Roger, and we'll stay with you. 0 Delta Hotel, good day.
Tower, Epic 11 Delta Golf, visual 8 right, looking for that traffic.
Epic 11 Delta Golf, Spirit Tower, good afternoon. Wind 110 at 6, runway 8 right, cleared to land. If you could just square off your base to about a 5-mile final lift, traffic should be no factor for you. I do have multiple Cessnas in the pair on the north, runway no factor.
We'll square the base, clear to land, 9 right, 11 Delta Golf. 8 right. Going to, right here to the left. Can't remember it.
11 Delta Golf, roger, left turn Alpha 6, you can taxi Millionaire via Alpha with me, good day.
6 Alpha, with you to Millionaire, 11 Delta Golf.
Jet 424, holding short, runway 8 right at Alpha.
Jet 424, Spirit Tower, good evening. You can fly runway heading for now, runway 8 right, clear for takeoff.
Heading runway 8 right, clear for takeoff. Is that Jet 424?
Jet 424, contact Sailors departure for brief flight. Tower TBM-960 Delta Hotel, ready for departure, 8 right. 960 Delta Hotel, Spirit Tower, good afternoon. Working on your release. Have your roll in just a moment. TBM-960 Delta Hotel, turn right heading 180, runway 8 right, cleared for takeoff. Right 180, clear for takeoff, 8 right, 0 Delta Hotel. Delta Hotel, contact St. Louis, departure of a great flight.
Order departure 0 Delta Hotel. Have a good day.
Flexjet 455, visual 8 right.
455, Spirit Tower, good morning, good afternoon, runway 8 right, cleared to land.
8 right, clear to land, 645.
You can make the left turn there off of 5, cross Alpha to signature with me. Have a great day.
Tower 510, run the ILS 8 right.
Station 501 Sierra Spirit Tower, good afternoon, wind 130 at 5, gust 15, runway 8 right, cleared to land.
Land 8 right, and for planning purposes, we're going to the Emerson hangars.
Roger, thank you. Correction, 501 Sierra. You make the left turn Alpha 5, taxi via Alpha. Are you familiar with Emerson's location?
Not at all, and I would love something for Emerson.
Go ahead and stay with me. Left turn here at Alpha 5, left on Alpha. Just continue west. I'll give you a call when it's coming up.
Taking 2 left, we'll wait here for the
Tower Citation 2905, Papa Juliet's on the visual for 8 right, parking at Millionaire.
Station 2905 Papa Juliet, Spirit Tower, good afternoon, wind 100 at 9er, gust 15, runway 8 right, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 8 right, 2905 Papa Juliet.
Station 2905 Papa Juliet, just for a heads up, I've got about 3 Cessnas in the north runway pattern. They'll be north of you at all times, no factor.
Thank you for the info. Hi, Papa Juliet.
Jet 396, Spirit Tower, you ready to go or need a little bit more time?
Here you go.
Jet 936, traffic 3.5 out to Beechjet, turn right heading 150, runway 8 right, cleared for takeoff.
Right 150, 8 right, clear for takeoff, Beechjet 936. 936, we're boarding. We need to exit off of the left right here and then come back around. We need to change runway.
Jet 936, no problem. Got plenty of space behind you. Left turn there at Alpha Niner, and you can taxi back to runway 8 right via Alpha with me, and just remain this frequency, please.
Taxi back to the end of the runway on Alpha, and then we'll stay with you, and we don't need assistance at the time. Jet 936.
Thank you for the heads up.
45 visual, looking at the right base, visual runway 8 right.
345 Spirit Tower, good afternoon. Runway 8 right, you are clear to land.